Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to a new episode of Sephiroth and Cypher's channel. Today we have Spinosaurus and we have our custom paint Becklespinax. I just finished it today, guys. So let's start for the Becklespinax. The colors is inspired from the cancelled Spinosaurus. That Dominion Epic of what was that name again? Battle Damage, I believe. So I didn't get the color right, but I did got the brown one. I believe it is like a dark green. I tried mixing it, but I still couldn't get it, so I decided to stick with this. So here it is. Golden Sunset. This is what I use on here. No, I didn't mix out anything. Okay, guys. Let's put it there. So it still works. There we go. I paint black on the spikes, the claws. Down there as well, and the spikes in the tail, it's all black now. If you scan it, it's still the same. It's right there. It'd still be a regular one. There you go. You can still move the tail. There you go. Alright. So there you have it. Just like the Spinosaurus. The cancelled Spinosaurus. Okay, Mattel canceled it a year ago. And then we have here is a Dino Rivals Spinosaurus. Here's the damage. Epic damage. So you push that. There you go. It has like red liquid inside. This thing is so rare now. Put the clip on. It's supposed to look like this. The cancelled Spinosaurus. There you go. You push that. Oh yeah, this thing is one of my favorites. So a few days ago I posted shorts on the new Spinosaurus. It's here. We're gonna check it out. Let's put this aside first. Alright, here it is. Epic Evolution, a Walmart exclusive Spinosaurus. There you go. It's awesome. Let's check it out. So it has a totally new head sculpt. Even the sail, way better. Okay. Oh, wow. Came off. Okay. Let's check. Let's check the box. So we already have the Baryonyx Epic Attack. These are all Epic Attack. This Pyroraptor is on its way. The Herrerasaurus, I'm having a hard time looking for a good deal in this. So I still don't have this Herrerasaurus. And right there. I'm glad it's not a Japanese version. You slide it down, has the 3 sounds, okay. So let's check it out. Alright, here it is. Oh, very nice. Well, let's check the DNA scan first. There you go. So, really nice color, guys. The very first Spinosaurus with sound. Gray and maroon. So you push this. There you go. The mouth doesn't move. Push again. There you go. Another one. If you move the hand going up, there you go. It munches. Okay, that's where it attacks. See that? So if you move the hand, how about the other side? Oh, wow, both arms then. That's so cool. That is so cool, guys. Uh-oh, what's going on there? Looks like it got scratch marks over there. It's got scars. Maybe a velociraptor scratch it. Same as the eye, there's like scratches. Over there, there's like scratches. So when you push this down, the sail has a different shape now, really nice. Compared to the classic Spinosaurus. Same as the Dino Escape. The other two I didn't bring here right now. So if you push this, there you go. The sail lights up. See, it goes up. There you go. So you can see the bone of the sails. That is so cool. Let's try it again. Look at that. Yeah. Pull the hand up. Pull this hand up again. Okay, I don't know what's wrong with this other hand. It doesn't go back. Something's not right with this. Looks like it's broken. Oh no, that's not cool. Okay, so like that. There you go. It has a green eye just like the other one there. Let's compare the head. Totally different head sculpt now. This one has a longer snout. Look at this. Huh? Yeah. See that? Totally different, guys. Alright. Let's check the other side. This is like the best Spinosaurus yet. Hopefully Mattel makes another one of these Spinosaurus. Different color. Or maybe the four-legged Spinosaurus. So yeah. Let's check the mouth. Really nice. It's different. It's a different layer now. Way better. Way better. So there's more scars on its neck right here. On the snout right here. Totally different head sculpt now. Very nice. Oh, you can't. There's no sound when you move the tail, so it doesn't go with it. So of course, like usual, they forgot to keep painting this claw right here. But if it's a Hammond collection, they paint it. Alright. So that's pretty much it today, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and to smash that like button, guys. Thank you so much. Oh, we forgot to pull this up. There you go. See? It goes up. These are the biggest Spinosaurus ever. Alright, guys. You guys have a great one. We'll see you on Friday or Saturday, okay? Thank you, guys. There's the box. We got it from. Alright. Next video will be a custom hybrid. Alright, guys. Hopefully you'll enjoy that. Thank you so much. You guys have a good evening. Very well.